Oof, my social media posts just aren't getting the traction I need for my course launch. Crickets everywhere.
Same here, Chloe. I feel like I'm shouting into the void. No engagement, no signups.
Wait a minute. I just got this email from the Hadaraki Guy Challenge, from crickets to cheers. And it's all about crafting social media messages that hook your ideal students.
Social media hooks? Mine are more like sinkers.
Hey, that could be a funny post idea. But seriously, this email says we can refine our messaging to actually engage the right people.
Engage the right people, you say? Because right now, I'm pretty sure I'm attracting tumbleweeds, not students.
Exactly. This sounds like just what we need. Let's see what these social media message hooks are all about.